So I was Cybertrucking back home from running some errands, and wouldn't you know it, I came across a stuck RV, an RV that had jammed itself on a steep driveway. It had bottomed out its rear end, and its rear wheels were off the ground, no more traction, so it was completely bottomed out. I figured what a great opportunity to put the Cybertruck to a test and help somebody out. So we flipped it around, swung around, had another look at it. Saw the gentleman was standing out there waiting for assistance, probably called a tow truck at this point. So we pull up and jump out and ask him if he wants some help. You know, I think we can get this thing out of here. You can see the marks on the ground from where it's been dragging. We go ahead and put the strap onto the trailer hitch. Getting access to the trailer hitch was the first time I'd done it. Very easy, just 3 fasteners. I used the key on the keychain to undo the fasteners. Came right out with no tool. Got access to the trailer hitch, hooked it up. Now we're just repositioning the Cybertruck and attaching the tow strap to his bumper. Lucky for us, he had a great bumper that attached to his frame that we could just loop the end of it over, no tying, anything required. Just made sure it was untangled and we were good to go. Time to put the torque of the Cybertruck to the test. Now, I just had the Cybertruck in chill mode here. Not sport mode, not off-road mode, just chill. I did a little test tug here at about 50% throttle. We didn't get any movement, so I had to let some traffic pass. And then it was going to be time to give it another try. So this time I put the foot down to about 80% throttle and it pulled it right out of there. Very smooth, nothing jerky about anything, felt very controlled. It's a great example of the brains behind how the power is laid down in the Cybertruck, where you just kind of put your foot down and you let it sort the details out, and it just pulled it away smooth. The owner said thanks, and they were on their way. Saved them a towing fee, and another good day in the Cybertruck.